respected dignitaries, and my dear students, my dear friends. Today, I feel very happy to stand before you on this 18th special Independence Day. 15th August is not just a date on our calendar, but it is a reminder of the price that our nation had paid for freedom. On 15th August 1947, India became independent. But behind that freedom, there were many years of struggle, courage, and sacrifice. People like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, and Chandrasekhar Azad, along with thousands of other brave Indians, gave everything for one dream: a free India. They did not ask what will India give us. They did not ask what will India give us. They asked what can we give to India. They asked what can we give to India. Today, we may not fight for freedom with weapons. Our fight is different. Our fight is different with wisdom and knowledge. Our fight is against ignorance, dishonesty, and the thought that someone else will change India. Because India does not need only great leaders. India does not need only great leaders, but India needs a great citizens. And we, the students of today, are the citizens of tomorrow. So we can serve our country by studying sincerely, respecting parents and teachers, helping others, and above all, by becoming good human beings. That is the reason we make a simple reason. That is the reason we make simple promise. We will not only celebrate India's freedom, we will respect, we will protect, and we will make it strong with something new. And now, I would like to end my speech with the powerful words of Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी ने शायद ये कहा था कि भारत कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं है, एक जीता जागता राष्ट्र पुरुष है। अटल जी ने कहा था कि ये वंदन की धरती है, अभिनंदन की धरती है। ये वंदन की धरती है, अभिनंदन की धरती है। ये अर्पण की भूमि है, ये तर्पण की भूमि है। इसकी नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है, इसका कंकर कंकर हमारे लिए शंकर है। हम जिएंगे तो इस भारत के लिए और मरेंगे तो इस भारत के लिए। हम जिएंगे तो इस भारत के लिए और मरेंगे तो इस भारत के लिए। और मरने के बाद भी गंगा जल में बहती हुई हमारी अस्थियों को कोई कान लगाकर सुनेगा तो एक ही आवाज आएगी, भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। थैंक यू सो मच।